What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm checking in on my problem bin. This one here is the one that I transferred over that had some of the slug issue. And I keep finding them and picking these little suckers out. Okay, now that those couple have been eradicated, I'm going to look on this side. I did feed over that way. Looks like I'm going to have to add a little bit more moisture to this. So, let me pull some of this back. What's kind of neat is, with not having the holes drilled, they are turning this area into castings really quick. So then it helps to mix and incorporate them. But this bin does not have near as many as that other bin that I have that has the pound of red wigglers. So hopefully in time this will continue to populate. So I have been checking this periodically, making sure I don't see any slugs, or if I do, I try to pick them out. So I think I added off camera some carrot tops and things like that to this section, and possibly a banana. And there's a couple guys down at the bottom. They're like, why are you messing with me? So I'll just move that. I'll kind of place it back towards that middle section. Give this a nice quick flip. So this one has a couple nice sized ones in here. So hopefully they just keep eating and reproducing. I'm going to add a little bit more eggshells because I'm in the process of making some more of that up. Add a little sand. Add a little bit of that to everybody and go a little heavier in that feeding area. And I am going to add some water because with this being a fairly new bin, this is kind of like my worm chow. I will add a little bit of that into the middle here too. Just give them a little extra. But with all those carrot tops, I don't want to really add any more food to this one. Let me get the water. with the heater being on, this definitely seems to be drying out. And with the lack of the population, I can't keep adding food to help increase the moisture. So I do have to, you know, spray this every once in a while. With spraying it also, I think that's another reason with the slugs, because they enjoy that moisture and the food. So I definitely have to watch how much I put in here of food and moisture. But like I said, this will be a good bin to have, and depending on how bad these darn slugs are, like I said, I got a few ideas in one of the last videos of ways to go about, you know, kind of helping to get rid of them. So I'll just keep fighting the battle and hope I win the war, you know. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day.